What does it mean to be a chef? It's passion and science. It's precision and technique meets creating art on the blank canvas of a white plate. It's having the business savvy that keeps your kitchen open for business. It's serving up unforgettable moments. Being a chef means you don't just handle the heat. You use that fire to create something amazing. And Marian Technical College can help you get there.